Hey, what's up, guys? Little update, second stash. This one's for 150. Uh, got this one, Silver Eagle by Mega Banger. Little cake. Got this one, Green Heaven by Mega Banger. Got the little ladybugs that my daughter liked these ones. Got some Blast Wave rockets. Or should I say missile? Got a couple boom boxes. Never seen this before. Like a lot of the other cakes I haven't seen, but Hit Team Performance. Got some Badger balls for all Wisconsin Pyros. Badger balls. Never shot these. Got a deal on them for 15. Originally it's like 3 for 60, but the guy gave it to me for 15, so I'll see how it is for this one. That's my old rockets from my other stash. This is a nice come up right here. Went to the shop last year. I saw the guy actually walking around with one in his hand. I didn't know what it was. Like I say, I haven't really gotten salute rockets before, or salute canisters or shells, but he was walking around with one of these last year, and this year I went in there and I'm like, hey, do you still have them? He said he had 4 of them, and the thing about that is I actually got them for $10 each. Those are nice. These are nice also. These are the Great Grizzly Thriller rockets. They actually hit hard. If you see these, you should pick them up. I got another box of those. That was the last one they had. He said they're actually getting another load in a couple weeks, so be back there in a couple weeks. Alright, thanks for checking out. So you guys must be wondering, hey man, where's the canisters at? Where are the 500-gram cakes? Yeah, I'll be getting that. That'll be in my last and final stash update video for 2018. It won't be for a couple weeks until the shop that I go to gets their new load in. But yeah, the final stash should have a few 500s and some canisters.